Hi guys, my name is Milad Amiryanfar and this is the eighth episode of our Kubeflow introduction course. In this episode, I want to talk about the TensorBoards. TensorBoards will play a crucial role in order to drawing a good image about what your model exactly working. I'm talking about the comparing the metrics, for example, the accuracy of model, ratio of the model, and the epoch, and the considering the epoch situations. Okay, so in our pipelines, let me show you we would have multiple steps, and in each step, we are going to manipulating the data, and then we have to train the model. For example, it is a hypothetical pipeline that has training steps, and in this step, I want to see the, for example, epoch accuracy or loss ratio of the pipeline. So I'm using the TensorBoard function here, giving the log directory as it is here, and then giving some metrics here for producing or generating the diagrams. Right now, I have a hypothetical diagram here, which are these. For example, these are for the Llama 3 with 8 billion tokens logs, which is produced during the pipeline with a TensorBoard function. So all of things that we have to do is going to the TensorBoard section and adding the new TensorBoard here, for example, Mila TensorBoard. Then you can use the object storage or PVC. I'm using the PVC, which is the PVC that is attached or mounted to this notebook, Jupyter notebook, which is this exactly. Sorry, which is this. This is another notebook. And I have to say which folder should be mounted. And this is the logs folder. Let me check. That's it. And let us to give the access to the Kubeflow pipeline. But as I said in the previous episode, as we are in a test line environment, and this video is just for tutorial purposes, we have run the Kubeflow based on the self-sign SSL certificate. So before that, we have to do some edits in the in the TensorBoard deployment that it is Jupyter, sorry, this is the TensorBoard pod, and I have to deploy, going to the deployments and uh, TensorBoard web app deployment. That's it. Sorry. Oh, my connection is not stable. Okay. So if I want to edit it, you have to come here in this section and change it to false. The default value is true, and you have to change it to false as I already did it. So I will come back to the K9s environment, and uh, as you see, we can create the sensor board successfully. If it is the first time, you have to wait for a while because the Qflow would be going to pull the corresponding image. But as I run it or run it already, so right now it is the status is successfully run, and we have to connect. My connection is done, I think. Let me check. Yes. Let me go in here and connect to the Kubeflow again. Oh, it is a serious problem. Maybe it is because of my VPN. Let me solve it and I will come back again. Okay, the problem is solved right now. I had a problem with Jupyter Notebook authentication. In this situation, it is good to restart these pods again and you will be down. And as you see, everything is done and you can go to your TensorBoard. As you can see, these are the different diagrams that is trained, for example, based on loss, trained based on learning rate, and trained based on epoch. And these are the different logs for the training that was related to the training steps in your Qflow pipeline. Okay, what I was supposed to be talking about in the TensorBoard is down right now. Thank you for joining me in the Qflow introduction course. To me, this is the last episode of the course. If the whole course was interesting for you or useful, please introduce it to your colleagues. And if you need more detailed course for example, for production environment, just say me in the comments, and I do try my best to uh, produce another series, which is for which we will focus on the production environment. Qflow. Thank you for joining me, and bye bye for now.